Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are starting day 1 of 12 Days of Christmas, which is going to include some giveaways for you guys and stuff. So if you want to see what the giveaway is, then stick around to the end of the video. But first, today's Christmas sweater of the day is SpongeBob Krabby Patty Rainbow. Yeah, you guys are about to witness that I own way too many Christmas sweaters. I did not buy them for this. I already had them, so... And you're probably asking yourself, do you have 12 Christmas sweaters? Yes, I do. So, if you want to see, the rest of the Christmas sweaters, you gotta keep coming back. But before we jump into me painting an evil Frosty the Snowman, make sure you give this video a like, please subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of the daily Christmas sweaters and you don't miss any of the giveaways. And if you came from Instagram, you already know what the giveaway is, but I'll give you guys a little hint. It might be hocus pocus, I don't know. It's not really a hint. I basically just told you, but yeah. Just watch me paint Frosty the Snowman, and then at the end of the video, I will show you guys what the giveaway is for and explain all the details. So yeah, let's just jump into the video. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is glue down the eyebrows. I'm just using Elmer glue and then sticking it up with a little eyebrow brush. You really want to brush them up and stick them down. Now I'm just putting some powder over it just to, take away that stickiness. We're going in with some Ben Nye cream paint. That's what I use for everything. Just basically sponge that all around. And then you want to powder that shit good. So then I got lazy, so I'm taking a white face paint because it's faster. And I knew I was going to be covering up the chest, so I didn't really need it to be as smooth. Now we're taking some black and we're going to map out the kind of demon mouth thing that I wanted to do. I didn't really have a plan for this, as you can see. I'm just kind of going at it. I think for this kind of thing, just really make it random and do however you feel. Okay, so now we're just taking the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. I just wanted to add a pop of blue and just kind of make it, more frosty, not just boring white. Then we're taking the WetnWild cream paints in black and just covering the eyelids and then setting it with a black shadow. I feel like that helps it not crease as much. And then taking that same black shadow and just covering up the demon mouth part so it's not so shiny from the face paint. Then, I don't know, I just kind of wanted to make it look a little more rough, so just dragging down with some black face paint. Then we're taking the Orangey Glad palette from ColourPop for the nose. And just starting out small and then layering it up. And then we're adding some more of that blue around the eyes. And a little bit shading on the forehead. Then shading a little bit more with some black to add some more depth. And I'm taking some white cream paint and adding a little bit to inside of the demon mouth. I feel like it adds a lot more dimension. And then we're just adding some white highlights around that to really make it pop. Anytime you have a really deep shadow, if you had a highlight right next to it, it makes it pop even more. Now we're starting on the scarf, so just taking a red face paint and laying that down. Now I just googled Christmas scarf and then kind of copied the pattern. So just taking some white face paint and just following the pattern. You can really just do, any pattern you want. So now I mixed some black and red face paint just to make a little bit darker shade of red and adding those like classic crisscross details that scarves have. I did realize I should have done that part before I did the white part, so I did add white on top of that after. Then I just took a black shadow and shaded a little bit under the scarf to make it look like it was popping up a little bit, and then added these little white details, like little fringe details. Then I took a black shadow. I'm starting to shade on the body. I felt like I didn't want it to be too boring, so I decided to do kind of like a messy skeleton type thing. So I'm using black face paint, just kind of randomly doing shapes. and then dripping some white. Oh, now I'm adding my favorite lashes of all time from Eldora. Pop on some mascara. And there you guys go. I had a little top hat, just glued a little flower to it, and I really hope you guys like it. I did pop in some black contacts. I wish they were like the full sclera ones, but you know, maybe next time. So if you guys did like it, please give this video a like, please subscribe and turn on your notifications, and you gotta subscribe if you want the giveaway. So I'll show you guys right now what that is. Okay, so since it is the first giveaway, I wanted it to be something really special for you guys, and I know that this palette sold out really quick. A lot of people really wanted it and weren't able to get it, so I thought it'd be nice if one of you got it as kind of like a giving back to you guys thing. Maybe you'll get it before Christmas, I'm not sure, no promises, but I think a lot of you guys would really get a lot of use out of this, and you know, I just want to show you guys how much I really appreciate all the support and all the kind comments and everything. So here it is in all its glory. It is still in its packaging. Here's the back. Here's the palette. Also, I'm not just giving you guys the palette, so there also is these liners right here. Okay, so these cream gel liners as well from the Hocus Pocus collection. I thought you guys would get a lot of good use out of this as well. So I'm gonna throw these in there for you as well. And last thing, this beautiful packaging. Focus. Is it focused? So also this lipstick from the Hocus Pocus collection. It's a beautiful color. This is in the shade Mary. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, just make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, then go to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, tag 2 people in the Instagram post, the one from today of the Jack Frost and the Hocus Pocus giveaway. Then come back here and just comment that you're done with everything and that you're entering the giveaway. Okay? That's all you have to do. You don't have to purchase anything. So if you live in the US and you want to enter, just make sure you do all that. I'll have everything in the description as well, all the rules and everything. I'll see you guys on Friday for the next video, and on Friday I'll be announcing the winner of today's giveaway. So make sure you check my Instagram for all that stuff. See you guys next time. Bye.